I used to be, it almost felt like a playground. कि माँ बाप ने बोला ही है ना कि यार डॉक्टर बनना, पायलट बनना, तो मेरी माँ का भी था कि डॉक्टर बनना.
बन गई.
मैं बन गई डॉक्टर.
Because to mug up those
Oh.
terminology in medical science, it
terminology.
was a nightmare for all of us. I think it was very difficult.
Say, अरे ये जनाब डॉक्टर है, and in exactly within 30 seconds somebody will go, अरे मेरा है actually that. Everybody starts their private consultations. Even if he's a dermat, they'll ask him, "You have back pain," and the doctor will be like, "Is it hurting?"
मैं दांतों का डॉक्टर हूँ यार, क्या कर रहे हैं? कुछ पेरेंट्स ऐसे हैं जिनको अगर दवाइयाँ कम कर दो ना, उनकी डॉक्टर कम कर दे, तो उनको लगता है कि ये नहीं है, डॉक्टर बेकार है. बहुत सारे ऐसे पेशेंट्स हैं.
This show is definitely going to be our country's most authentic representation of the medical fraternity.
एक क्रिकेटर एक मिस्टेक करता है उसकी विकेट जाती है, डॉक्टर एक मिस्टेक करते है उसकी जान
जान
चली
चली
जाती है. The
pressure.
level of importance actually they have.
Amitabh Bachchan in Anand.
Doctor.
क्या बात है यार.
Technically, he's not a
So
doctor.
I
He's not a
got
doctor, but
2
yeah.
points.
But you call them
both
a
are
doctor.
right.
Hi, welcome to Newton's. My name is Jigasha, and today we are with the team of doctors. Now, guys, I've seen 5 episodes out of 10, and in the last 5 years, because of my parents' ill health, I've been in the hospital for 7 times.
Oh.
So it's been a difficult watch in that sense. But so every time I see doctors, I see hospital, I see with those white lab coats, etc. I feel like, boss, ab main ja raha hu. I'm like, boss, I start panicking. So what has been your what has been your experience when someone says doctors, hospitals, tests?
Lifesavers. Eventually, that's what they are. If you want to just sum up in
Yeah.
that one word.
It's very easy to say they're lifesavers, but from the a normal person's point of view, it's a little scary. I'll second you on that. I've been a lot of times to hospital because of my accidents and surgeries and all.
But if they're not there.
But they saved me every time. But obviously, as you said, it's scary. So, but this show is all about that. That we want to, take that out of a viewer's life. That doctors, what goes in their life also, you should understand. And they are not scary. They are saving your life. The premise is chaotic. You see different instruments there, and you feel that it's scary. But they are there for you to save your life. So the perspective can be changed after watching this show.
You want to say something?
I mean, इतनी deep बातें नहीं करनी मुझे. Because I'll tell you what happened to me when we shot for this show. Every time I used to enter a hospital after that, I used to be. It almost felt like a playground. Because I was like, code blue.
ऐसे
Oh my
भूत
God,
से-
code
भूत से
blue.
ऑपरेशन
And like
थिएटर में
I.
चली गई ना इस
हाँ?
बार भूत से ऑपरेशन थिएटर में.
I wish. I used to. So we had this medical consultant on the show, Dr. Agni. Through the shooting period of that show, like I used to keep convincing him, can you please let me
surgery.
be there for the
काटने दो
surgery? I
किसी
just want to see it from afar. Please, can you? Like I used to keep convincing him. So for me, I got every time I used to enter a hospital, I used to be very excited. I used to be like, oh, इनके scrubs ऐसे हैं. Oh, ये art ऐसा है. अच्छा, oh, okay.
Imagine ऑपरेशन थिएटर में she's saying एक बार जरा काट सकती हूँ.
फिर से करो ना. एक बार retake करो फिर से.
I think it's also because by God's grace, मतलब मेरी अभी तक ऐसे by God's grace कोई ऐसी सर्जरी नहीं हुई है और मेरे आसपास के लोगों की भी इतना हॉस्पिटल में आना जाना नहीं रहा है, तो उतना ऐसे ट्रॉमेटिक नहीं रहा है मेरे लिए वो. तो मेरे लिए वो मज़ेदार रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द शो, बिकॉज आई हैड सो मच फन while we were shooting this, learning all the things, learning about their lives, just wearing lab coats. and सबके माँ बाप ने बोला ही है ना कि यार डॉक्टर बनना, पायलट बनना, तो मेरी माँ का भी था कि डॉक्टर बनना.
बन गई.
मैं बन गई डॉक्टर. So I used to be very like we had a lot of scenes in the lift. So मैं जाके लिफ्ट देखती थी. ओ अच्छा ये क्या स्पेस है लिफ्ट की. So we have a doctors group also. Like after we finish shooting, we have a WhatsApp group. So I used to, after we finish shooting, a lot of the times when I used to go to the hospital to see a friend or whatever, किसी का कोई ACL tear है जो है, I used to keep sending them photos on the group.
You're living
I
the
would
character right
spam.
now. You're living the
I would
character right
spam, है
now.
ना? You remember?
She's a method actor.
I would just.
वैसे छोड़ी नहीं अब तक.
लाइफ लॉन्ग रहेगी उसके साथ. जो
I would be like
करती
season
रहेगी.
2 के लिए 8 में ये different हो सकता है. Color scheme क्या है? अच्छा ओ. Then this one time I was in Ambani hospital में नीचे थी मैं, ऊपर जा रही थी तो suddenly कोट ब्लू चिल्लाया किसी ने. कोट ब्लू. I was like क्या?
Excited. It's a stressful moment for
Oh,
every
hey, I
doctor
was
also. She's like, yeah,
So yeah, when I hear about doctors, when I see scrubs, I get so excited. Like Agni is also now, because we work so closely with him, he's a dermat. So he's become our like general physician, dermat, everything. So whenever I go to see him at the clinic also, and he's wearing these scrubs, I'm like, oh my god. So like he has these nice peacock blue scrubs now. So I get very excited. So because I have such fond memories. अगर हमारे सेट पे माहौल वैसा नहीं होता, लर्निंग वैसी नहीं होती, तो आई थिंक इतनी खुशी मुझे नहीं होती.
Okay, now I have a small game for you all. I will give you all a movie name. I'll give you all an actor's name. You all tell me which doctor they played.
Which doctor they play?
Wow, this is tough.
ये मैं खास पढ़ाई करके लाया हूँ इसके बाद से.
I don't even remember doctors not.
विमान एक्सपर्ट है.
मतलब
नहीं.
हार्ट सर्जन या
Okay, let's try.
No. Not as Dr. Siddharth Arya. Siddharth Arya. Your father played it.
Oh my god, come on.
Haven't seen Krish in a long time.
He's a scientist or something.
इसको डॉक्टर किया, इसको
Just
डॉक्टर
give him a diary moment.
Yeah.
I forgot the movie.
Okay, Shah Rukh Khan played a doctor in Dear Zindagi.
He's a counselor.
Psychiatrist.
Psychologist.
किससे पूछ रहे थे?
Psychologist.
मुझसे ना, मुझे मालूम था ये.
Technically, he's not a
So
doctor.
I
He's not a
got
doctor, but
2
yeah.
points. Right?
But he called them
both are
doctor.
right.
Psychologist को भी doctor बोलते हैं.
The slang is shrink. But
Shrink,
he
shrink.
was not a psychiatrist.
Slang.
ठीक
He
है,
was not
I think it's the right word, which is
ठीक है. Let's say Shahid Kapoor in Kabir Singh.
Ah, that's
Surgeon, he was a surgeon.
Cardiac surgeon.
Orthopedic surgeon.
Orthopedic.
Orthopedic surgeon.
Surgeon मैंने बोला. So half up.
ऑर्थोपेडिक पता है सर्जन तो सबने ऐसे सबने किया किसने किया
मैं न्यूरो सर्जन हूँ यार.
हाँ, मतलब क्या
I get
मतलब
half and he gets half.
Okay, Salman Khan in मैंने प्यार क्यों किया.
He's a doctor. I can't imagine Salman Bhai being a doctor.
जनरल फिजिशियन था क्या
गाना कौन
Orthopedic
सा
surgeon.
था?
Orthopedic surgeon.
गाना कौन सा था? मैंने प्यार किया. I can't imagine.
तेरे को नहीं पता है
मुझे क्या
सारे सारी फिल्में देखी
I think I would have revisit मैंने प्यार क्यों किया just for that.
सलमान भाई प्ले
Amazing.
Orthopedic surgeon.
हड्डियों के डॉक्टर.
हड्डियों के डॉक्टर. The line in the हड्डियों का डॉक्टर. Okay, Anu Kapoor in Vicky Donald.
सेक्सोलॉजिस्ट
Fertility doctor.
Fertility doctor
Sexologist.
is the right word. So I get 3 and a half.
Okay, Ayushman in Dr. G.
Gynac.
गाना
1 point we're out.
Okay, Amitabh Bachchan in Anand.
डॉक्टर.
क्या बात है यार
Is he a GP?
No, cancer survivor.
Cancer survivor.
No.
okay
Oncologist.
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 He was a cancer. Rajesh.
Rajasthan was survivor. Yeah.
He was a
Oncologist. Correct. Oncologist.
answer.
Okay. Last one. Sonali Bendre in Kal Ho Na Ho. ये किसी को याद नहीं होगा ये.
Yeah, he was going through a brain
Brain
thingy.
surgery ना.
Khan was going through a brain thing.
Cardiologist.
Cardiologist.
But he was going through a brain thing.
क्या फिर कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट और
No.
Heart.
I don't know.
Cardiologist is correct. Same thing. Heart.
So you want to announce the winner?
अमेरिकन एक्सेंट में ब्रिटिश एक्सेंट में
Okay. Harleen has won by 4 and a
सुना नहीं
half.
इन्होंने. Guys,
हाँ, वो
guys.
सुन ही नहीं रहे.
Harleen, you won?
Harleen
We are not surprised.
Okay. After watching 5 episodes, the terms which you all use in the film, in the show, I used to get hit by it. ये क्या है? इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब क्या है? And she's like, हाँ मस्ती कर रहे हैं हम लोग ये चल रहा है.
But I'll tell you, it was most difficult because to mug up those
Oh.
terminology in medical science, it
terminology.
was a nightmare for all of us. I think it was very difficult. Only for him it was easier. He was pronouncing it very well. But for us, it was ये
No,
क्या
talk about
pronounce-
yourself.
अच्छा. Can I show
नहीं,
them the
difficult,
retakes?
difficult.
अच्छा.
Difficult.
The point is that it was very tough, यार. मतलब we are not used to use those terms. Medicines, and you have to be very fluent with that. You can't just take time. अच्छा ये you can't do that. You have to be fluent. टक 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 टक.
Second nature, yeah.
it was a nightmare. आज ये सीन आया है बॉस. आज हालत खराब है. आज सब याद करना पड़ेगा. So
School exam
fun
में ये.
also in that. And बहुत मस्ती भी रीटेक भी मजाक कर रहे हैं. But it was a learning experience. I said it's a great unit to work with. First of all, all actors are like. So it was a mixed bag. If you have seen the 5 episodes, you know there are 5 old actors and there were a lot of newcomers also. And maybe I think a few of them had their first show. I think this is the first show for them. So it was a nice mixed bag, and everybody is helping each other, and we are learning the new terminologies from them also. It was a fun unit to work with. I really enjoyed
Also,
it.
because if you've seen 5 episodes, there are such interesting terrace scenes, locker room scenes.
The parts of the doctor's life which we're usually not privy to.
Yeah, we don't see
Yeah.
it.
Exactly.
So I got to live that life. It was just too much fun. So when you say doctors, I get
Lift.
till now
You
at
become
least I
more
get
friendly
very
to a
excited.
doctor.
It starts with being friendly, then it becomes like a very like two con मैं con types after a point.
नहीं अभी ऐसा है कि अरे डॉक्टर क्या कर रहे हैं अच्छा ऐसा वाला
So Viraf and Vivan, what is the most lamest reason you've called a doctor for? Like what's the most lamest reason you've called a doctor for?
Wow, that's a very interesting question.
Interesting.
What's the lamest thing?
Lamest reason.
Yeah. Like my mother calls for any reason. कुछ भी होता है ना, अरे गैस हो रही है,
You know
अरे
what
ये
I'm
हो रहा है,
guilty
सर
of?
दर्द हो रहा है, कभी फोन कर देती
What
है.
I'm guilty of is I see it happening around me, and I also do it. That if you're in a social setting and we're all sitting and talking, and suddenly it's a family scene and a doctor walks in, and we say, "Arey, ye janab doctor hai," and in exactly within 30 seconds, somebody will go, "Arey, mera actually back." Everybody starts their private consultations. Even if he's a doormat, they'll ask him, "Mera back pain," and then doctor will be like, "Is it hurting?" Okay.
मैं दांतों का डॉक्टर हूँ यार क्या कर रहे हैं
Yeah.
दिखा रहा है
So I am guilty of that because I've done that to doctors. Like the moment I find some doctor, I'll ask him and do a quick free consultation, and then I'll.
They've
discuss.
all done that with Agni.
we all like
No, but hey,
On
listen,
set.
Agni
Everybody was
our
like-
producer was playing Agni. We are supposed to.
डरमैट तो सबके काम आने वाला है. You all actors in that sense.
he was paid
सबको
for the
इनको
show.
चेहरे अपने ग्लो करवाने थे तो they were like
सबने
कुछ
हाँ,
लिख के दो.
Yeah, earlier
And
Sharad
then-
couldn't be seen. It's thanks to Dr. Agni.
Now
we can
because
see
of
it.
Agni we can see
And
it.
there was another thing, which is quite common, I'll tell you. So normal in life we lose a prescription every time. I don't carry. I'll forget somewhere. अब prescription याद नहीं है. अब कौन सी दवाई कब खानी है, कितनी बार खानी है, चाहे वो मैं हूँ चाहे मेरी मॉम हो, वो डॉक्टर को दिन में 2 बार फोन चलाते हैं, सर ये पहले खानी थी कि ये बाद में खानी थी, ये कितनी रात को है कि सुबह खाना खाने के बाद है कि पहले है, यार तेरे एक काम कर, I have the hard copy, I'll send you a printout again, just keep it with you. But now I started doing that photo
लेके ना,
otherwise वो लेमेस्ट है वो कि
नहीं,
बेचारा ने इतनी मेहनत से प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लिख के दिया है, वो आपने खो दिया, and then again you asking him.
No. So my job at my house was to have that medicine का kit. वो morning, afternoon, night वाला, हाँ Monday, Tuesday वाला. So every week I used to make it for my parents. वो बना के छोड़ दो, ये लो आपका डब्बा, करो जो खा लो अभी. Because for me it's difficult to eat medicines. वो पेरेंट्स का ये बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. वो दवाई ले, हाँ घर पे आ गए, ठीक हो गए, उनको फिर गोली खिलाना is the biggest task in its own self.
नहीं आज के नया चला है पता है आपको, कुछ पेरेंट्स ऐसे हैं जिनको अगर दवाइयाँ कम कर दो ना, उनकी डॉक्टर कम कर दे, तो उनको लगता है कि ये नहीं है डॉक्टर बेकार है. बहुत सारे ऐसे पेशेंट्स हैं दवाइयाँ कम कर दो, उसने ये नहीं, he is not taking
पहले
care of
बोलते हैं
me.
कितनी दवाई खानी पड़ती है.
I think you will be that old man. You will be that.
Yeah, people in my family. दवाई कम कर दी, मतलब अच्छे से नहीं देख रहा हूँ मुझे. मुझे ये भी हो रहा है, इसकी दवाई तो लिखी नहीं है उसने. अच्छा मैंने कहा मम्मी ठीक हो गया होगा, इसकी दवाई नहीं लिखी. नहीं ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है, दूसरे डॉक्टर को दिखाओ.
Have you met my mom by any chance?
सेम ना.
एक तो खाती नहीं है, कम कर दे तो बिल्कुल अब
Remember that Johnny Lever character in that Salman Khan film? उसको दवाई खाने का बड़ा शौक है. कौन सा मैंने प्यार
जब प्यार किसी से होता है.
Correct.
प्यार
He's
किसी से होता है.
constantly roaming around with the sort of first aid kit or why he's
हाँ,
popping
everything
them.
is medicine. Everything is medicine. Anxiety हो रही medicine हो रही है, उल्टी नहीं हो रही तो medicine हो रही है, नींद नहीं आएगा तो तू medicine खा रहा है वो.
But इस बात से मैं ये कहूँगा कि this show is definitely going to be our country's most authentic representation of the medical fraternity. Like a doctor who's watching this show will not feel कि अरे ये क्या दिखा रहे हो आप.
The procedures, if you see the procedures, it is
Dude,
as real as
The
possible.
opening sequence where you're operating, I will मैं वो देख के डर गया था मैं, क्या क्यों दिखा रहे हो ये? Because normal people are not used to watching.
Yeah.
So, but we have used a little futuristic approach also, like AR also being used. जो भी चल रहा है.
That's the present right now,
Like
actually.
people are operating, sitting some in one country, operating
The
in a different
robotics.
country altogether, online and with.
With your
So all that they
Yeah.
are doing, and so we have used that also to be connected with the new generation or new
So I
law.
think
Irrelevant.
the writers have put in a lot of effort.
Yeah.
Siddharth and Sahid, the directors, put in a lot of effort to make it like that.
But also, I also feel that somewhere in a country like India, doctors are overburdened in the sense that like the number of doctors that we're supposed to have are
Population of
not.
1.4 billion. bro.
What do you expect?
Why do you think Geo has made this show? They want more Indians to become doctors. They're going to get inspired. Like after this, the medical schools are going to be flooded by.
They already are flooded. We
Already
need
flooded.
more schools actually
They
because
opened a hospital and then they made this show.
No, but really, that's what I also hope that, like, when a lot of the times the army films and all come out, a lot of people are inspired and
Get
they want
inspired
to.
by it.
Yeah, I really hope that our
it
show is
does the
able to
same.
do that.
Yeah.
I really
Yeah.
hope
But we
so.
need this, doctors.
Yeah,
Doctors,
we need
you.
doctors
We
first.
need much more. India's healthcare is a big
it's a
deal.
concern, yeah, because so many people, and obviously because in 5 years, 10 years, we'll have a generation which is beyond 60, 70. So that generation will need to be taken care
By
of.
that time, he'll be older enough. Yeah, you take all care of all of them. Sharad and me will be old by then.
But Vivan, how has your experience been being a doctor? Because
It was most interesting. It was very eye-opening, really, because just to inhabit that role and firstly, of course, to
he's
learn
taking
all
notes
the-
right now. मैं क्या बोलूँगा next
all the
में?
terminology and jargon, वो तो एक बात है, but to really truly inhabit the life of a doctor, and you know, like Harleen was saying also, that one has to be completely fluid with the movements and with the activity of a doctor, because it should seem, like Sharad sir was saying, completely second nature to us. It should seem as if this is something that we live and breathe. And so that whole training process was most interesting, and you know, Dr. Agni and Dr. Janvi really helped us so much in that regard. But more than that, on a deeper level also, like what you were saying in terms of, I think all of us have traumatic memories associated with hospitals, and of course it wasn't easy going to work every day to a hospital. But
And
you
a
know,
real hospital.
in a
not
real
set.
hospital.
He shot
that
in a
too,
real
yeah.
hospital, by the way.
Wow.
But
Yeah.
in a way, then I think that sometimes confrontation is the best therapy in that sense. So to confront something that you fear or that sort of evokes unpleasant memories in you is the best way to get over it and to conquer it. So in that sense, I think for all of us, shooting the show was also coming to terms, making peace with a lot of those traumas also, which one associates with the medical world.
बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं ना हॉस्पिटल नहीं जाना है यार. They're scared to just go to the hospital because they see patients, they see different things. They remember, like you remember your parents going through a lot of things. So they associate that memory, that thought, that smell to just not being there. But this show is, along with showing a lot of medical fraternity, how they do things, is about how actually they are. They're also humans.
Yeah, yeah.
सिर्फ ऑपरेशन और सबको ठीक नहीं करते. They also have a life which they live. And I have friends who are doctors, and I know how fun they are.
Yeah, they're quite fun.
Yeah.
But you must, if you've seen the show, you
seen
must be remembering the last scene of the 4th episode. Or
The
3rd
terrace.
episode, which one? On the terrace. when
Terrace.
we
Isko
both
pucho.
are speaking. And I say one line to her, and that is the crux of the doctor's life.
Yeah.
That they're humans.
Even
Yeah.
doctors who take difficult decisions as well to
Yeah,
save, not
everyone's
save. How
made-
do you save it?
His particular scene was very, very important.
Yeah, the heart patient. Yeah.
15 and 1.
Yeah.
And their job is really difficult. एक mistake, एक cricketer एक mistake करता है, उसकी wicket जाती है. Doctor एक mistake करती है, किसकी जान
जान
जाएगी.
चली
Imagine
The
the
pressures.
level of importance actually they have.
You know, everyday pressures
ये line
can
अच्छा था?
bog down a lot of other
neurosurgery,
people, but cannot bog down doctors.
cannot doctor.
Secret
Right?
is
You
true.
have to keep your own emotional state behind and then step forward and do that surgery on that particular day at that particular time. So,
Yeah, Vivan, you were saying
No, I was
something.
just saying, especially the neurosurgeon. That is the most delicate operation in medical science. Correct?
Yeah.
Neurosurgery is one of the most complex areas of
Yeah.
I agree.
yeah.
In the show especially.
In
I
this
agree.
show,
Because he also is
especially,
bullied.
Because everyone's a neurosurgeon.
Yeah, exactly. And I think still medical science is coming up with a lot of new discoveries about, because it's a very murky area.
Yeah,
Neuroscience is still something that we have not completely figured out. I think it's ever evolving.
Yeah. It's not as simple as orthopedic. In orthopedic,
Exactly.
you can still figure out कि हाँ भाई हड्डी टूट गई तो we can
हड्डी
put a
टूट गई।
put a rod or put a screw or something. You can still make
Stent, something,
something you can still make do with here one
The
if one
nervous
bubble.
system, exactly. It's not as physical as a bone
Yeah.
or the skeletal anatomy. It's something which is almost, it approaches almost the area of metaphysics, you know, almost you're
ये
like
science
dealing
सीखा
with
था
the
क्या?
soul.
ये साइंस सीखा था क्या?
ये नहीं, मैं सब हाँ बोल तू बोल.
नहीं, पढ़ता बहुत है,
Deals with
पढ़ता
the-
बहुत है.
with the non-physical aspect of a human being, which is the most complex aspect of the human body, the non-physical, or the physical, which is like microscopic. So
कभी नहीं. छोड़
that's
दो.
why I'm saying that neuroscience is a very interesting area.
Yeah.
I think he's the only
And
one
very
who studied for his role, right? Well, बस book लेके बैठा होगा ये
अरे
science
बेटा
wise.
No,
किसका
it is because of this reason.
It is his father, I think. He reads a lot.
पापा आज क्या बोलूं मैं?
नहीं, but the books he has.
I think that
his
way we are
face.
stealing away the credit
no,
of
he
his
is-
brightness.
Arey.
अरे of
Bright
course,
kid is
very
very,
praising him.
very bright.
जिस दिन से इसने मेरे साथ काम किया 12 साल पहले, तब से ये थोड़ा ब्राइट हो गया.
That too.
ये सिर्फ शरद ही बोल सकते हैं.
और क्या? और कौन बोलेगा? मैंने ही काम किया उसके साथ 12 साल पहले.
No, but my point is that surgery and neuroscience is still very mysterious, and there's a lot of discoveries which are yet being made. I think that was I think.
So is Vivan. He's also very
I'm
mysterious.
also very mysterious
And ever evolving.
and ever evolving.
How she rounded it up. Huh?
Okay, guys, thank you so much for your time, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.